Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This week I'll be making two matcha drinks. First one is a matcha latte and the second one is a hot matcha. You're gonna need just a matcha, a bowl, and a bamboo whisk. Or you can just use a blender if that make it easier for you. First you're gonna need to make a hot water, and you're gonna rinse the bowl and put one in a cup so you can soak the whisk. After 10 minutes you can pour it out. You're gonna use about 2 teaspoons of matcha powder. If you want a stronger matcha, you can add a little bit more. You're gonna add about 50 milliliter of water at 175 degree. The hotter water will burn the tea and make your tea bitter. Now you're gonna start to whisk. You start whisking around the cup. Make sure you get all the tea in the water. Once all the tea is in the water, you can start whisking in an M pattern or a W pattern. You will have to whisk until your matcha turns into a creamy green. Now you can grab a cup, ice, and milk of your choice. If you want to make it sweet, you can add a sweetener, a sugar, honey, syrup, any way you like it. For me, I like it plain, unsweet, with whole milk. Once everything's inside the cup, you can pour the matcha on top. If you want a nice separation between the matcha and the milk, just pour it slowly. And just like that, your matcha latte is ready to be served. The second one I'm gonna make is a hot matcha. Basically, it's just matcha and hot water. You're gonna prep this one just like the matcha latte, but instead of adding milk, you just add hot water. So after you add the water, you start whisking until it looks creamy, and you can add more water and continue to whisk a little bit more. And there you go, your matcha 2 ways. Enjoy. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.